Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Network Error, Full Guide 2026, so you can solve internet connection problems and get your emulator back online quickly. First, check your internet connection on your PC. Open a browser and confirm websites are loading properly. If your internet is unstable, restart your router before continuing. Next, restart LDPlayer and your computer. Temporary network glitches often cause connection errors, and a simple restart can fix them. Now open Windows Settings and go to Network and Internet. Disable VPN or proxy services if they are enabled because they sometimes block emulator connections. After that, check Windows Firewall settings. Allow LDPlayer through Firewall by adding it to the allowed apps list so the emulator can access the internet without restriction. Then open LDPlayer settings and switch to the network or advanced options. Reset network settings or repair connection if the option is available. Next, update LDPlayer to the latest version. Older versions may have server connection bugs that cause network errors. Also try changing DNS settings on your PC. Use public DNS, like Google DNS, to improve connection stability and reduce loading issues. If the problem still continues, create a new emulator instance using Multi-Instance Manager, because the current instance network configuration may be corrupted. Finally, restart LDPlayer and test internet access again inside the emulator. And that's it. The LDPlayer network error should now be fixed, and apps should connect normally. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more LDPlayer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.